Hi everybody, this is Mike with Diverse Dimensions, making a little video to talk about probing surface features. One thing you might not know about surface features is they require you to, in their properties, select a compensation alignment. They're not like other features like point reducible features where you use the arm to let the software know which way you're compensating for the probe. So what you see here is I've already measured the part here and put it into an ABC alignment, but these surface features are flagged with an error and they are failing quite badly. If you look, it doesn't even look realistic. And if you turn on the probed data, you can see it's offset by the width of the radius of the probe there. And that's because the software doesn't know yet which way to compensate for that data. So the solution for this is quite simple. What you do is you just select your surfaces here and enter the properties. And under the measurement tab, you'll see compensation data alignment. And what you do is you just enter your ABC alignment there, and everything just springs right into where it should be. And it's using data alignment to let the software know which way you probed that feature, and it compensates in that direction. As always, if you need extra help, look out for more of our videos. You can subscribe or get in touch with us if you need a more in-depth training session. We would be happy to help. Thanks for watching.